Welcome to the TechWolf Picture Dictionary, where learning is fun. Learn new words every day, anytime and anywhere. The app has clear and audible pronunciation for every term to help you improve your pronunciation and accent. Every word comes with visuals, pictures and videos make it super easy for anyone to understand the new vocabulary. Apple. An apple is a round fruit with smooth green, yellow, or red skin and firm white flesh. Search entries with videos. Many terms come with explanatory videos. The videos explain a set of relevant vocabulary with pictures and examples. Vegetables. Vegetables are plants such as cabbages, potatoes, spinach. Popeye the Sailor Man loves spinach. Spinach is good for your health. The TechWolf Picture Dictionary also covers grammar and usage. These videos help you understand the concept as well as using it correctly. Use the forms of the verb be to talk about past. Verb be. The verb be is used as helping verb, or it can also be used as the main verb. Take the quiz. The quiz section is an excellent way to help you revise and understand the content you have learnt in the dictionary. The quiz has hundreds of questions, and each time you are given 15 new random questions. The best thing, you can see your result in the end to see if you passed. Eggplant. An eggplant is a vegetable with smooth, black, or dark purple skin. Check the date of the last update here. New terms are added to the dictionary on a weekly basis, and the quiz questions are updated accordingly. Bored with the current theme? Choose another, simply by swiping from the left to go to the menu. So, what are you waiting for? Download the app now. Boost your confidence and open countless doors to success. TechWolf Education, your gateway to success. Find link in the description below.